Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add or update key value pairs in dictionaries in Python. So here is my dictionary. It is called person and it has three keys, name, age, and city. And it has three values, Alice, 25, and New York. So when I print this dictionary in the output in the terminal, we see that all the data of the dictionary is being printed. So name Alice, age 25, and city New York. If we want to add a key value pair to our already existing dictionary, we type down the name of the dictionary first, and then we are going to use square brackets. And in the square brackets, in quotes, we can simply type down the new key that we would like to add to our dictionary. And then the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side, and the right-hand side represents the value that is associated to this key for this dictionary. So if I now again print the dictionary person, we need to see the updated dictionary. So up until here, everything is the same, but as you see, email is being added here, and also the email address is written on the right hand side. So it means that somehow like this is being written in the dictionary now when we are having the adding of the new key value pair. So when we are having this, it means that a new key is being written here and a new value associated to this key that was just declared is also existing there. So in order to do that, I am going to review now. We type down the name of the dictionary. In the square brackets, we are typing down the name of the new key. And on the right hand side, we are typing down the value that is going to be associated to this key that we are declaring now. Then if we want to update our dictionary, for example, one element, one value of an existing key, we can have this code here. So when I run this code, we are seeing sorry, I need to print the output. So when I run the last line, the last modification of the code, and I run the code again, we see here I'm typing down the name of the dictionary, which is person. And here I'm typing down an already existing key in my dictionary, which is age. So when an already existing key name is mentioned here, it means that I'm trying to update the value that is associated to that key. So when age already existing there, it means that I would like to modify this age. So age was already 25, but now I would like to update it and make it 26. Then when I print the dictionary, we see in the output, the age is now 26 and not 25 anymore. Okay. So in this lecture, we learned how to add a new key and its associated value to an existing dictionary. And also, we learned how to modify an existing keys value in a dictionary in Python. Thank you for watching.